Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing my monthly layout for my plan with me. This is for May, so let's just go ahead and get right on into it. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you can consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I do apologize for the lighting, but I've been having to film at night. Either way, thank you so much for everybody who is a returning viewer, and let's get right on into it. So please bear with me. This is new to me, so I'm going to do the best that I can. Now I'm going to be using my happy, and this is from the Happy Planner, and this is the big one. This is the big Happy Planner. I'm going to be using the Happy Memory Keeping dates and holidays, and the happy memory keeping year of memories. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put in that this is May, of course, May of 20. Where you at, May? Let's do, I guess we'll do this one. Kind of small, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put May, oops, May here. And this is going to be 2019. Okay. So the first day of May is on a Wednesday, which is here. So we'll start with this date.
Okay, what I'm going to do is take a little ruler, and I am going to pick all of these up, try to, at once. Okay, so we're just going to do it like this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's a little chunky, but it's okay.
Okay. Finally, we've got that done. So first thing I want to do is make sure we put down all of our dates and holidays. Okay. So let's go to our dates and holidays. So here we have, of course, Cinco de Mayo, which is on the 5th. So we'll put that here. Okay. And then we have a birthday, which is my niece's birthday, on the 6th. So I think I'm gonna put this and a piece of cake. Okay. And then after that, is that the only holidays? I think that is the only holidays in May. So one of the most important things that I want to make sure I do is get my ring clean. Okay, so I know that I want to get my ring cleaned, get ring clean in this month. So they check it and they make sure all the stones are okay. It's part of the warranty. So I need to make sure I get ring cleaned and checked sometime in May. Yes. So like I said, it's Nikki's birthday. Let's just use a pen. So here we go. Nikki's 20th birthday. I will be off. I do plan on taking off on this day. Actually, all of these days I plan on being off. Yes, I don't plan on working on those days there. I want to make sure that, oh, I know that my daughter has a school function on, well, that's that week. On Thursday, Karma, my daughter has a school function on Thursday. So I'm gonna put Karma's school poem. Oops, something is sticking to me. Hold on one second. I want to plan a date night with my husband. That's something I want to start incorporating in our day-to-day life. So let's try date night here. No, I don't like that. Date night. Maybe I need to make sure I get to Karma's hair appointment. Tuesday. We're gonna get our eyebrows waxed. We do go every 2 weeks. And I want to start dedicating Sundays as, I want them to be cleaning days, but I don't want them to be cleaning days because it's my day off, but I know they need to be cleaning days. So maybe I can split it between Sunday and Friday because we're going to work late. So I'm going to try to do a deep cleaning and bathroom on this day. And then I'm going to try to do a deep cleaning on the fridge. Deep cleaning fridge on that day. So I want to try to do that at least once a month. And I'm actually going to use this little sticker here. And then this one down here. That does come about, I will make sure to put it in. I do want to put a few stickers to kind of lively it up just a little bit. So let's see if we can pull some of these stickers off and get something nice up here. Maybe here. And let's see. Maybe something here. Let's cut it. Let's do it like my girl Krystal from Krystal Klear Ideas. She likes to chop it up, chop it up. Let's put this one down here, and we'll put this one coming off to the side here. this. Here. And maybe everybody can always use some gold in their life. Let's put a little bit of sparkle down this. And this wash is actually from the Dollar Tree, and I think it sticks very well, and it is super sparkly, and I like it. Okay, so it's not much at all, but this is what we have for May. Anything else that comes about or that I remember, I will just pin it in later. And that's pretty much it, guys. I do hope that you guys did enjoy it, and thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, bye guys.